guys, what is up? Wolfie 10160 here, and I'm back with another video. Okay, sorry, I do not know what that was, but today I'm going to do trade attempts for a promo item that I've gotten recently. I mean, not from the pet, someone traded it for a necklace, which I'm surprised. I'm not sure why, but they just did, I guess. I don't know. I guess I just want to make my day. Okay, so here's the promo item I'm going to be putting in trade. Oh, I'm sorry for that I broke Life with Wolferny. I changed the title, but you couldn't hear Wolferny on the Skype call, and I'm guessing that's what had happened on his video. So, yeah, it was. It was weird. Yeah, I apologize. Put it on trade list. Go on. Put it on trade list. Okay, now go away. Okay, so now I was an all professional. So maybe trade attempts for promo. Free short and the art that has been in the masterpiece party. So I just saw that. No, I don't even know what the heck I'm going through, so I guess I can't trade you. Let my masterpiece. Oh, I'm so sorry for all the lag. It's horrible. Wait, I want to see what they have on trade. Why does my screen hate me? See, look how stupid this is. See, look. Mannequin challenge, go. Aw. Whoa! Okay. Oh, did you just see that masterpiece? Okay, don't know what I'm talking about. It's nice. Okay, stop. It's I don't know anymore. I think it's because I'm half British, but I'm not sure. Moi excerpt. Go away. Sorry guys, these videos would be much better. You know, the computer because it was broken once. It's still probably the screen recorder as well, and it's lagging, and I can't edit on this, which really sucks. You can, I don't know how, but yeah. Cringy. That's a cringe. What's a cringe? Oh, mannequin challenge, go. Okay. I'm going on here. Ooh. Well, for a second, I thought they said yum. So then fade as for what? Good for you. I do not care. Come on, let me move. I think MJ wants to do the mannequin challenge. No, what if I yell Andy's coming? That'd be so funny. Oh my gosh, you guys are ruining my video. You know what? I'm gonna be back when the first trade rolls in. Trade has not rolled in yet, but I just spot a person with a freaking magenta. I don't know what that is. Like, what is that? Is that like a demon helmet or something? That's magenta. But look at that, guys. Look how weird that is. So weird. Yeah. Oh, so this made it move up. Yeah, when the first trade hits. Yeah. This is not for my promo, but this is for the steering top hat. So, yeah, I'm doing promo trade attempts only. Oh my gosh, what is this? So, sorry, that trade. Wait, look at that panda. You just missed it. But it was. Sorry, guys. I'm not doing any trades. Because I'm at the end of the video. Ow. Jeez, my lips. Sorry, guys. My computer just went onto my lower left, like, bam. And it hurt. That hurt. So I'll be honest. Oh, hello, another cat. I have two cats on my bed. A 7-year-old and almost a year. Whoops, did not mean to click that. But, yeah, but we saw some interesting stuff out there. So, yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And to become a wonderful wolf. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.